Hi everyone, I'm Janken Axis Cabrigas from BSIT 1B. So today, I'm going to present my program that I created using Python in Spider. To tell you about my purpose of creating this program, it is to help people from ordering their kind of tricks through online. By conducting this online ordering form, where technology has been with us, this form will surely help not only me but for a lot of people. So I'm going to show you my project that I created using Spider. So let's now open the app. So as you can see, the title of my project is called Blend and Field Cafe Online Ordering Form. And the name of the business is Blend and Field Cafe. So as you can see, here are the first thing that you can see when we run this program. I've listed the menus, which is flavors, prep, or type of drink, sizes, add-ons, and sugar levels. And those words or variable are the menus. So here we can see the prices of those menus. So let's go on to the stage where the system get our order. So the system will ask, what kind of drink would you like? So the choices are milk tea, prep, or you can choose done to eliminate or break the order. So if I choose milk tea, the system will ask, choose your milk tea flavor or type done to finish. If I choose done, the program will stop. So if the flavor isn't on the menu, it will print invalid milk tea flavor. Please choose from the menu and continues. So for the size, the system will input choose your size. And if the size isn't on the menu, it will print invalid size. Please choose from the menu. And for the add-ons, choose an add-on, or I can type done to finish if I don't want any add-ons on my prep or milk tea. So if the add-on isn't on the menu, it will print invalid add-on. Please choose from the menu. So for the sugar level, it will input choose your sugar level, and if the sugar level isn't on the menu, and as the loop continues, it will also says invalid sugar level. Please choose from the menu. And if we are done ordering, it will ask again, what would you like to order if you want to order again. So if I order again and I choose frappe, the system will input choose your frappe flavor, and if I choose done, it will break. If the frappe flavor isn't on the menu, it will print invalid frappe flavor. Please choose from the menu. So here we are in the calculate total order, where the system calculate the total price. So it says here that the total price, which is here 0, if I haven't ordered yet, flavor, which is the flavor of grape and milk tea, and the size. So here we are in the display order form, where the system will print the item in enumerate order, where I ordered first a milk tea, which is it is the first item, and I ordered again, which is the frappe, that it is the second item. So let's go on to the get customer detail, wherein it input, please enter your name, the location, enter your address, the date, enter the time for delivery, and the phone. And if you put the number, and if you put your number that has less than or greater than the 11, the system will print error phone number. And there we have it. The system will print order confirmed, and it will print the total price of the order that I placed. The system will also print thank you for ordering. We will let you know when it's prepared to deliver at location. So let's run this program. So the first thing that we can see is the welcome form and the menu. The milk tea flavors, spray flavors, sizes, add-ons, sugar levels. And the first thing that the system would ask is what kind of drink would you like? And the choices are milk, frappe, or done. So I'm going to place an order, which is milk tea, and the system will ask the milk tea flavor and the size, or I can put some add-ons, or I can type that if I don't want any add-ons. So let's put some add-ons. And if I'm done adding some add-ons, I can type done. And for the sugar level, and as the loop goes on, after I ordered my first item, the system will ask again, what kind of drink would you like? So let's try entering a variable or a menu that isn't on the menu. So let's try to put Coke and see what would the system react. Yeah. So as we can see, the system reacted and says invalid drink type. Please choose from milk tea, frappe, or done. So let's choose frappe as our second item. Frappe flavor, size, and there we have it. The system will ask again if we are done ordering our second item or our items. So let's choose done. And there we have it. The system will print our order, which is, as we can see, the first item that we ordered is milk tea, and the second item is frappe. So the system will ask our name or our personal details. Address, time of delivery. Let's say today is around 12 p.m. phone number, and there we have it. The order has been confirmed, and we can see the total price of the order that we placed. So as you can see, the total price of our order is 215 Philippine peso. So the system will print, "Thank you for ordering. We'll let you know when it's prepared to deliver." At nagawa po ako ni Doke. And we can also see the time. Thank you for watching.